So you have a on Roku TV and you have an issue with the remote here itself. Maybe it's like unresponsive, or maybe you have like a delayed or laggy response, or it's basically a slow response. So in other words, if you're trying to move over to the right one time somewhere on the TV, you tap once right, but instead of going to the right away within 1 second, you have to wait like 2, 3, 4 seconds until it finally moves to the right. Okay, so in other words, again, it just has a slow response. I'm going to give you guys 3 solutions to get you up and running right now. Now, this is only going to work for about 50% of you guys, but this is something like really easy to try. Okay, so first thing is this. What I want you to do is go to your TV, make sure the TV is on. While the TV is on, I want you to pull the power plug from the wall outlet. Pull it out. I want you to wait like 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, go ahead and plug it back in. Turn your TV back on and see if your remote is working properly. Okay, if not, then we're going to go to the next step. So the next step here, what I want you to do is go ahead and open the back, and I want you to go ahead and pop your batteries out. So let's go ahead and take out the batteries here. Now after the batteries is out, I want you to go ahead and turn the remote over. Now what I want you to do is press and hold this power button for 20 seconds. Press and hold. Do not let go for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, go ahead and let go. Now what I want you to do is every single button, even the power button, I want you to spam every single button on here. Just press it in kind of hard. Don't forget the volume rockers here as well as the mute button. Just keep on clicking everywhere, because typically what happens, these remotes, you can get water in these. It can be dust, lint, soda, sweat, hand lotion. If it gets in one button, it can cause all kinds of issues with the remote, okay? So make sure you keep clicking all these, make them all nice and loose, and then go ahead and bang the top. Make sure you're getting everything nice and loose there. Now go ahead and put the batteries back in, and then turn your TV on and see if your remote is working. If it's not, do the same thing again. Go ahead and pop out the batteries. Remember, press and hold this power button for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, let go. And then again, spam every single button on here. Just go crazy, okay? Every single button, the volume rockers, mute button. Just keep going. Every single button on here. Then give it a couple whacks. Then go ahead and put your batteries back in. Don't put your back plate on yet. Just put the batteries back in, and then you turn your TV on and see if your remote is working correctly. If it's not, I want you to do the same process again. Try the same process 5, 6, 7, 8 more times, okay? Keep trying it, okay? After like the 8th time, if it's still not working, then the next thing I want you to do is go ahead and do the same thing again. Press and hold for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, go ahead and let go. And then remember, spam every single button on here again. Now, after you've done that, now instead of putting the old batteries back in, what I want you to do is just get a new pair of batteries, or actually it doesn't have to be a new pair of batteries. Just get a new set of like different AAA batteries. Put those in there, and then go ahead and fire up your TV, and hopefully that last solution will work for you, okay? If this worked for you, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. It should be a 50-50, all right? So go ahead and thumbs up or thumbs down so everybody can see, all right? Well, good luck, guys.